Hello, Bodkin here. It's an old Nokia Windows phone. Sorry about the fingerprints on it. We don't use it much now at all, really. If you're getting interference from your phone while videoing on your phone, just put the phone in airplane mode. You just swipe the phone screen from the top and you can just check off it, or otherwise you'll get the buzzing, chattering noise from the interference static from the phone. So it's just a tip. I forgot to do this, and it can be quite off-putting when you're recording, and sometimes means you have to overdub the videos, which means more work. So always put it in airplane mode when you're recording video on your phone. Just a tip.